These endangered and threatened salmon are rotting in the sun next to a new $6.3 million project. It was built to make sure that didn't happen. State officials just completed work on this fish passage project along the Sacramento River. The hope was fish wouldn't get trapped along the Fremont Weir at the start of the Yolo bypass. But the structure didn't work like it was supposed to, and the state had to shut it down in February. This weekend, biologists learned that dozens of fish were stranded. Some had died. State officials say they're working diligently to fix the problem, hopefully by next winter. In the meantime, biologists will need to keep rescuing fish to help them get back into the river.